Hello, this is Rochelle, your microbiology study strategist. In this video, we will be talking about the types of disinfectants. Now, this is part 1 to the video. Phenol and phenolics. Well, Joseph Lister used phenol to control surgical infections in the operating room. Today, it's rarely used because it irritates the skin and has a disagreeable odor. We can see phenol at low concentrations in throat lozenges. It has a low microbial effect, but in high concentrations, greater than 1%, there is a high antimicrobial effect. Phenolics. It is a chemical altered phenol that decreases irritation or when combined with a soap or detergent can increase antibacterial activity. Phenolics' antimicrobial activity is the destruction of lipid-containing plasma membranes, thus resulting in the leakage of cellular contents. An example is mycobacteria. Phenolics is a good disinfectant as it remains active, it's stable, and after application, it persists for long periods of time. It disinfects pus, saliva, and feces. O-phenol is a cresol that is found in most Lysol. Bisphenols. It is a derivative of phenol that has two phenolic groups connected by a bridge. An example is hexachlorophene. It is included in a prescription lotion that is used for surgical and hospital microbial control. Hexachlorophene is used to treat and protect newborns from skin infections caused by staphylococci and streptococci. Another example is triclosan, which is used in antibacterial soaps. Triclosan disrupts the plasma membrane by inhibiting the enzyme for the biosynthesis of lipids. Triclosan fights mainly against gram-positive bacteria and is seen fighting yeast and gram-negative bacteria. Pseudomonas aeruginosus known to be resistant to triclosan. Biguanides. Their mode of action is affecting bacterial cell membranes, and we see an easy victim, gram-positive bacteria. They can also be effective against gram-negative bacteria. An exception is Pseudomonas. Biguanides are not sporicidal, but can attack the envelope of viruses. An example of a biguanide is chlorhexidine, which is used on the skin and mucous membrane to control microbes. When it's combined with a detergent or an alcohol, it is called a chlorhexidine, and it is found in surgical hand scrubs and during pre-operative skin preparation. Another example is alexidine. Next up, halogens. They are effective antimicrobial agents. Iodine is a halogen that is an antiseptic. It kills bacteria and many endospores, different types of fungi, and some viruses. It impairs the protein synthesis and changes the cell membrane. Iodine can be in the form of a tincture or an iodophore. An iodophore has the same antimicrobial activity of iodine, but there is no staining and there is less irritation. An example of an iodophore is betadine. Iodine can be used as a skin disinfectant or it can be used to treat wounds. Chlorine is another halogen that is a disinfectant. Hypochlorous acid kills germs. Calcium hypochlorite disinfects dairy equipment and restaurant utensils. Sodium hypochlorite is used as a household disinfectant and bleach like Clorox. Chlorine dioxide is used as a surface disinfectant that fights against bacteria and viruses, but in higher concentrations, they kill cysts and endospores. Chloramines are mostly in municipal water treatment systems, in the U.S. military in the forms of tablets, and to sanitize glassware and utensils, dairy and food manufacturing equipment. Next topic is alcohols. So, they kill bacteria and fungi, but they do not kill endospores and non-envelope viruses. See, what they do is they disrupt the membrane and dissolve many lipids, and we see lipids on envelope viruses. Alcohol can be used to degerm the surface of the skin, but is not good as an antiseptic on wounds. Two common alcohols used are ethanol and isopropanol. Specifically, 70% of ethanol can kill microbes, but the concentration range of 60% to 95% have shown to kill microbes as well. Isopropanol, aka rubbing alcohol, can be used as an antiseptic and a disinfectant. Heavy metals and their compounds. So metals such as silver, mercury, and copper can be biocidal or antiseptic. Obligodynamic action is the ability of heavy metals in small amounts expressing antimicrobial activity. Silver is an antiseptic in 1% silver nitrate solution. Drops were added back in the day to the eyes of infants to protect them from infection. This is called ophthalmia neonatorium. Silver has been proven to be useful in lab dressings and plastic food containers. Silver sulfadiazine is used in a topical cream for burns. Muric chloride, a disinfectant, its effect is bacteriostatic. There is a disadvantage to using muric chloride. It is toxic, corrosive, and has an ineffectiveness in organic matter. Today, it's used to control the mildew in paint. Destroys green algae that lives in reservoirs, stock ponds, swimming pools, and zinc is a metal used as an antimicrobial. It is seen on weathered roofs. A common ingredient in mouthwash is zinc chloride, and zinc pyrithion is in anti-dandruff shampoos. Surface active agents or surfactants. Soaps and detergents are able to remove microbes mechanically through scrubbing, and this process is called emulsification. Now, acid anionic sanitizers aid in cleansing food processing facilities. Now, this sanitizer is a mixture of phosphoric acid and a surfactant. It reacts with the plasma membrane because of the negative charge of the sanitizer. They work against a wide range of microbes, including thermoduric bacteria. Quaternary ammonium compounds are cationic detergents. Their cleansing ability is due to their positive charge. They are strongly bactericidal against gram-positive bacteria, but can also kill gram-negative bacteria. Now, quats are fungicidal, amoebicidal, and virucidal, and they only kill enveloped viruses. Benzalkonium chloride and its commercial name Zephyrin, and cetopyridium chloride and its commercial name Cepacol are quats and are antimicrobial. Some species of Pseudomonas are resistant to quats and can even grow in the presence of quats.